Welcome to third video about objectives of communication. In the last two videos we saw all these 10 objectives. Let's start with the 11th objective, and this is the objective of application. Now this is again one of the important need of communication, because whenever we want to have a kind of communication in the form of a request to the higher authorities in a formal tone, in a formal way, we often write applications for the same. Application can be related to getting a leave from the boss. Application can be related to the loan application. Application can be related to anything which is in the kind of a favor or a request from the higher authorities to the subordinates. Okay, so there are many types of applications which we often write, which we often do, and this is one of the need of communication. Now comes the next one, that is appraisal. Now appraisal is nothing but providing a kind of upliftment in the form of monetary way whenever we are working in the private sectors. It happens purely in the companies, in MNCs or in private sectors. Whenever the year is over, then at that time a form is given to all the employees to fill in, where they are asking about the performance of that particular employee. If the performance is really excellent, they are getting a very high appraisal. Whereas people who are working and giving less performance, they get less of the appraisal. For example, if at all I am a sales manager of a company and I tell all my subordinates that for this month you have to bring in the business of rupees 50,000. Now when I am giving the target of bringing rupees 50,000 business to the company, at the end of the year I am going to give a kind of appraisal form where there will be three kind of columns, and these three columns will be, the first column will be related to OE, the second will be UE, and the third will be ME. ME stands for met the expectation. So for example, if some employees have got the business of 50,000, they will tick in this, met the expectation. Now UE is under the expectation. I have given the target of 50,000, but someone fails to bring in the business and they are bringing business of only 30,000. Then they will tick under this, that is under the expectation. And someone is really trying all the ways and all the means and working day and night and bringing in the business above 50,000, say 80,000. Then that particular candidate is going to tick in this, that is over expectation. Now generally when this appraisal form is filled, after that the company management decides about the increment given to all such kind of employees. Obviously a person who is over the expectation will get a very high appraisal in comparison to someone who is under the expectation. So I am clear about the appraisal. This is also one of the need or objective of communication. Now coming to the next one, that is 13th. The 13th objective of communication is complaining. When I talk about complain is obviously not a kind of positive communication. It is something which is not pleasant. No one wants to complain and no one wants to listen to the complaints also. But sometimes when you have no other option but to complain, you have to complain. For example, if you have ordered certain goods and the goods are not proper. For example, if you have ordered for certain goods and you have told them that this is the date by which it should be delivered, but you don't get the goods by that date, and so many other reasons. So complaining is also one of the need of communication. Remember friends, whenever you are complaining, your tone should be again polite, humble, courteous. Never use any kind of insulting or abusive terms. So complaining again is an art, and it is one of the important objective of communication. Now, the remaining objectives will be covered in my upcoming video. Thank you so much. Happy learning.